Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Lucidchart. This is incredibly useful when you need to share your diagrams, flowcharts, or mind maps with people who don't have a Lucidchart account, or when you simply want a clean, professional file format that preserves your design exactly as you created it. First things first, open your web browser and head over to lucidchart.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account dashboard. After logging in, you'll be directed to your workspace. Navigate to recent documents where you'll see a list of all the projects you've been working on. Browse through and select the document you want to download. Then, click Open to launch it in the editor. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, you can create a new blank document and design whatever you need before exporting. Now that your document is open in the editor, look toward the upper left panel of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines beside the word Draft. Click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From this menu, click on Export. This will open up a secondary menu showing you different file formats you can export your diagram to. For our purpose today, select PDF from the list. This format is ideal because it maintains the quality of your design and is universally compatible across all devices and platforms. Once you select PDF, a message will pop up on your screen. This might be a prompt asking if you'd like to upgrade or view additional features. For now, simply click Maybe Later to proceed without any distractions. This keeps the process moving smoothly without unnecessary interruptions. After closing that pop-up, shift your attention to the upper right panel of the screen. Here, you'll find a download button. Click on it to initiate the PDF download process. Your browser will begin processing the file, so give it a moment to complete, especially if your diagram is detailed or contains multiple pages. Once the download is complete, look at the upper right toolbar of your browser. You'll notice a download icon that shows your recent download history. Click on that icon and from the drop-down, select Show in Folder. This will open the location on your computer where the PDF file has been saved, allowing you to access it immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your Lucidchart document to PDF, making it easy to share, present, or archive your work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.